Finally now we are on the way to, what was that? Balimu. It's high above the mountain. It's very high. Wow. Very dangerous road.
Very curved road.
Very zigzag and curved road. Wow. On the road. What is Albi?
What is Albi? Coming here.
Here we see a lot of people. I think they were also going to the Balimu. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
See from above the hill. The water so wonderful and beautiful. Wow, it's so deep.
Amazing.
Amazing road. I visited this road for the first times. I hope you all guys like the way. You see, we are in I think almost up above the mountain. बहुत से लोग आते जाते कर रहे हैं इधर.
Beautiful place.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. It's nearby the Bhutan and the Arunachal and the Assam state border. And it's the natural beautiful place that you all need to visit on this place.
Wow.
So that
What
everyone
kind of
can
people
be
are it?
adorable to this place.
Wow, it's very high. Wow, I think the bike is getting very pressure to pull us.
As it's actually the back of my side is very heavy. That's why it's very difficult to pull it. All these vehicles, those which you saw, came from the Arunachal, from the Tawang. It all came from the Tawang, and it's used to travel to the Guwahati city, which is the northeast, most famous place of the northeast, Guwahati city. They used to carry the passenger from Tawang to Guwahati.
Really, it's so amazing. Actually, I am little bit more in the weight. It's a little bit difficult to go above the high road.
This road mainly cuts to the Tawang. You can go through this road to the Tawang and the Silapas and the Zang and Dirang and Bomdila, Rupa, Khalaptang. All these are situated in the Arunachal Pradesh state. You can visit through this road. Whenever you can visit through this road, it's your time. Enjoy your day.
Wow, it's what comes. Wow. We can see here some of the houses. I think the Bhutanese peoples mainly be over here. It seems. Wow, cow! I think socks over the road.
Let's explore to the Arunachal Pradesh. This is a
Let's explore the beautiful views of the Arunachal Pradesh. You all guys see how beautiful it's. Wow, see this way. What a beautiful scene. Over the high mountains.
All these are situated in the Arunachal Pradesh. All this this main road used to cut to the Tawang and the Pambula Pass. So you can visit whenever you have the good time with your family and with your neighbors.
With this, I like to request you all, the guys who are watching my video, you should come and visit this place once, because it's wow, wonderful. See this, wow. I think everybody should visit this wonderful place because it's very nearby to us.
The main reason that you want to visit, ride safe and drive properly. If you are not good in a good ride, so you don't travel to this place, as it is so many curves here. See it, so many curves. See the road, there are so many curves. This is a bit of the curve. Other than that, there is a lot of curve in the forward areas.
Really, it's amazing. Wow, see the road, it's bending like a flying here. I think some drops of rain are falling.
Yeah.
It's touching my face. Do you like the place?
Yes, I do like the place because I came mostly to this place even in a week or even when I get to a holiday. I used to visit all the time. I like this place very much as it's a natural beauty and it's good for the ride.
You can see these guys is also visiting that, and they were enjoying the beauty of the natures.
It's amazing. You can visit all over here. It's amazing.
Today I'm so excited to visit this place, as I'm visiting this place for the first time. So I request you all guys should visit this and enjoy the happiness of traveling through this road to where was we going?
Balimu.
Balimu, yes.
As you can see, this is seat for the battalion horse, as there is also a SSB camp here. It's the it's this SSB camp. You can see them. Some of the parts in some parts you can see the SSB. They are the helpful for us. Whenever they need help, they used to help us. If like our bikes has gone in something wrong, or that we have finished our petrol, they used to help us a lot. If we get struggle, they used to help us. They are very helpful.
I am feeling so interested.
It's amazing here. We are very lucky to born in this area, that we can be friends with Arunachal Pradesh and the Bhutanese. We are very lucky to have this time with us.
Road construction is going on.
Road constructions are going on here. Some of the roads, some of the parts, some of the roads, constructions are going on. See, these are made by the medieval engineers. All those bridges are now going to repair. As you can see, this is the most beautiful place.
Wow! You can see the review of the nature. Wow! It's so high. I haven't seen such kind of hills. For what purpose that flag has been given?
As is the symbol of the Arunachal Pradesh, that they love the tourists.
Oh, we can see here the stones mill. It's gone.
See, all these travelers came from the Tawang. They used to carry out the passenger to the Guwahati city. If you wish to come, you can get a vehicle from the Guwahati city, from the main place Paltan Bazaar, nearby the station, Guwahati station. You can come from here. You can get all the vehicles from here. You can overstay here in Arunachal. You don't worry about the hotel, lodge. Everything is there. It's a beautiful place, and the people are very kind to their heart. They used to help so much to their tourism.
Oh, so sorry, rain are falling. It's rainy day. It's very bad way for us. Sorry, it's very unlucky. We have to say this because rain is falling.
And some tiny drops of rain are falling here in the Arunachal Pradesh, as the weather is there. The weather is going to be cold weather here, as it's a hill area. Some tiny rains are falling here. See it. Wow, there is a cloudy.
Wow, you can see the fog.
All are the hill areas.
I think we are almost on the way to our trips.
This is called a Balimu, as this is our main trip to Balimu, as we'll not go from here to the other places, as we came for our family trip, so they will be worried about us. That's why we need to go back, as our family is our main savior for us all.
Sorry for the pictures because the rain was falling and the fog is giving little bit of disturbs to our cameras, but still you can see the views. We are now here on the Balimu. This is the place of Balimu. Actually it's small in areas, but the road strips are very beautiful. Lots of North peoples are there, but I have enjoyed a lot the way through which we came. So it was our trips to Balimu. So you all guys, I think like it, and I request you all should visit that place and enjoy the way and the trips. And if you like my trips, so please like my video, and if you have seen my channel for the first time, then please do subscribe, so that if I bring such kinds of video, then you will get the first notifications. I hope you all like. Thank you.